Hey everybody, it's Nabil Mullah with you here again today. Today I'm here to show you this USB plug and play omnidirectional microphone from Beisiwo. But before I do that, if you could go ahead, go down below, click that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you can receive notifications of future videos coming up, and then I'll be super happy. Hopefully you'll be happy too. Alright, so let's get to it. Let's get to this super cool USB microphone from Beisiwo. Alright, so why is this microphone super cool? Well, one reason. It's the price. There's not too much to this microphone. It's a little guy, stands about maybe a foot tall, only has one button on it, which is to basically turn it on and turn it off. But at around $12, you can't beat it. The sound is actually really good, I think. You're listening to it right now, so you tell me, does it sound good? I mean, this is a $12 microphone. And, you know, here I am getting close. Do I sound any better? Hello! How you doing out there? I'm an announcer. Yes, my hair is aflame.
I think that ball just blew up. And yes, my hair is aflame.
Okay, so that was my announcer voice. Hope you liked it. Really, there's not a whole lot to point out with this microphone. It's very simple and easy to use. It's USB. Plug it into your computer or your laptop, and it'll set itself up. That's all there is to it. Then you go to whatever program it is you use to record. Hit record. And there you have it. You can mute it with this little button right here. Otherwise, it's just plugged in and recording when you're ready. It's got this gooseneck that seems to be very solid construction. Here I am moving it around. You see it stays however I want it. Now, being that this is an omnidirectional microphone, that means it's going to pick up sound from all around. So you're going to want to be in a quiet place. It's not going to only get the forward-facing sound and basically drown out everything else like a unidirectional microphone would do. So this is going to pick up everything. I noticed in the little manual that came with the microphone, these guys have a little bit of a sense of humor. They tell you in the instructions with the recording tips, among other things, it says, if possible, eliminate all room noises like cell phone ringtones, the annoying chihuahua barking next door, etc. So, you know, I like a company that has a little bit of sense of humor, doesn't take themselves too seriously. That's right up my alley. Now, you know, I have 3 chihuahuas. But that's okay. No offense taken. I know they can be yappy dogs. Mine are pretty good about being quiet, though. But they do have a reputation. But I digress. That has nothing to do really with this microphone. What else did I want to tell you about it? Other than the price, you know, and you can get it on Amazon Prime, right? They sell this on Amazon. If you're a Prime member, that means it's only the $12 or whatever, you know, they may fluctuate up and down $1 or $2. But not only are you getting it super cheap, but if you're a Prime member, you get free shipping too, and fast shipping. So it's a really good deal. So this has uses, you know, for a YouTuber if you're trying to do voiceovers for your videos. The sound is, you know, you're not going to need to do really any editing to the sound. What you're hearing right now is with no editing. It's also good for if you're doing interviews because it's omnidirectional, so you can set it in the middle of the 2 people or 3 or however many and just use one microphone between all of you, which is nice. But basically I think the price and the simplicity is really what sets this, what makes this stand out. The only qualm I have with it is the length of the USB cord. It's only about 3.5 feet long, which is a little bit short. Now if you're using a laptop, that's probably not an issue because you're going to have your laptop nearby. Now you may hear your fan noise or, you know, any noises coming from your laptop while you're recording because it'll be pretty close. But for me, I use my PC. I have a front input on my PC for USB, and so that's a little bit closer. I don't have to get all the way around to the back of my PC to plug this in, But even then, you know, my case is still a few feet away. So I've got this pretty much stretched to the max. And, you know, it would be nicer if it was over just another few inches. It would make my life more comfortable. So, you know, if they extended the cord maybe another foot, that'd be perfect for me. But other than the length of the cord, I really have no issues with this. It comes with the wind guard. I'll take it off so you can see. Okay, so this is all plastic here, but we've got the wind guard, which I think does a pretty good job of drowning out those plosives. So that's pretty much it for this. It just comes in this brown box. Got a nice cushion inside. There's the logo, Beisiwo, which I believe is how you pronounce it. If not, I do apologize to Beisiwo, but that's how it looks to me. It comes with this little manual, which is in English. Looks like German, that language. I don't know if this is Chinese. I apologize for not knowing that information, but that's it. So if you're looking for a good budget microphone that sounds good, it's not going to break your bank, great for a starter, great for a podcast, whatever you need it for, why don't you consider this little guy? I'll leave a link down below to where you can buy it. That's all there is to it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why don't you go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. I'd love that. You would make my day. And until the next video, I'll catch you later.